Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper search widget to your WordPress website. A search bar helps visitors quickly find the content they're looking for, making your website easier to navigate and more user-friendly. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WordPress website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Search in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the search bar preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you need to enter the search engine ID and API key. After entering them, click Verify and Save Credential. You can follow the provided steps in the widget to get the search ID and API key. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose from different template styles. Then open the Appearance tab. In this section, you can change the background, pop-up background, text color, and accent color. In Search Settings, you can change the placeholder text and set the maximum number of results to show. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your WordPress site editor. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.